you can see this 1916 Harley Davidson. And you can kind of walk down memory aisle through these motorbikes. You can show your kids the Ford Model T. To this 1947 Cadillac that was Louis Mader's famous car, and you'll see why in a second. It could hold 50 gallons of water for showers. And inside they even had an ironing board and a washing machine. Pretty amazing stuff. Then you can fast forward in time, 1992. This beautiful Ferrari. You see a couple of them down here. So whatever your fancy, if you like cars, old or new, motorcycles, this is a great place to bring your kids to look around.